When using a Leigh template jig to make router joinery, repeatable joint fit is crucial. Manufacturing tolerances in your tools can cause slight changes in the geometry of your joint, and that means it may not fit properly. This piece of paper is about 4/1000ths of an inch thick. Even a change this tiny could have a major impact on joint fit. Leigh Tools' adjustable eBush guide bushing allows you to modify your joint fit by as little as 1/1000th of an inch. The elliptical barrel of the eBush can be rotated to change its size, which in turn changes the bit offset and the amount of wood removed when you route. Half an increment equals 1/1000th of an inch adjustment. If the joint is too loose, changing to a higher number on the eBush makes the barrel bigger and leaves more wood, resulting in a tighter joint. And if the joint is too tight, a lower number makes the barrel smaller and removes more wood, creating a looser joint. The Leigh eBush is a patented upgrade on the standard guide bushing that could make all the difference in getting your perfect joint fit.